All right, so I just wanted to show you the Z Grill 600D box, just so you have an idea of how big it is. It is 104 pounds shipped, so not something that you really want to lift on your own. I kind of just did it. It's not too horrible, but probably not exactly what you want to do. So far, the hardest thing about putting it together is finding the instructions. It's in this box right here. And then the one thing I can say I don't care for is that it's got all these little pieces of foam, styrofoam in there, which will have to be cleaned out before anything can be cooked. So this really isn't an assembly video, but I wanted to show you some components of it. This is the casters. They're hard rubber. They got a little traction on them. And then, so you get four. 2 out of the 4 have this locking ability to it, which is really nice to keep your grill from moving. It comes with all the tools required to put it together, which is almost nothing. I personally really like that they put stickers on there that identify everything, but they're also really easy to take off. Tiny note, but it's reinforced. So I just thought I'd add, I'm almost done putting this together, and it's been super easy so far. So again, this is a review, not a setup, but I wanted to show you. These are tap screws, and this is the only reason I might use more than a drill or more than the provided screwdriver, because they're tap screws. That doesn't go in easy. So I might be ruining everything right now. I don't know. But here it is. It's in action. Everything's looking pretty good, right? You open that. Let there be fire. Ah, come on. I know it's a smoker, but I like char growing every once in a while. Okay, so I just threw the brisket on there. We're going at 225. Probe is in there as planned. And we'll see how this works. So, doing a little bit of the review real quick. I cooked burgers, I cooked brisket, tested it out. Seems pretty good. I had a massive rainstorm, so this thing is messy, and I haven't cleaned it from the brisket yet. What I'm gonna say, first off, plenty of space to make a brisket. I did a 10-pound, but you can see that I only used that much of it, right? We could do way more. On this, everything works really well. I kind of wish that this slid the stuff easier, but it did work. It never, you know, left a hole where there wasn't pellets. It worked pretty good. The motor worked great. The setting dial is really simple to use. The smoke cycle shutdown, really simple power. 400 degrees is the high for this thing, and it did go up there. Don't really have anything to say about the container area. Right there is your oil drip. Easy to get to and easy to take out. I did have kind of question about what this is about. Why is it coming out here? I would think that would stay kind of clean, but whatever. Dog's going nuts over there. So wrapping it up, what I would say about this is we're a rating, you know, 0 to 10. I would probably, as a first-time pellet grill smoker, give it a 9. If I were to buy this again, I probably would have bought the bigger one. I think it's the 700D. But I like it. It worked really well. The burgers were great, and the brisket will be eaten today, but it looks phenomenal. The bark on the brisket wasn't perfect, but I think that was me. I screwed that up. And if you're wondering about that, that was me also. I had a boo-boo.